In this video, I will be showing you how to log out of Amazon application, iPhone, and Android. Now, all you have to do is to go to your Google web browser and kindly type Amazon or Amazon.com. So, click the first one that appears. Okay, type first, click this one, and then it will take you directly to your Amazon account. Now, kindly tap your account. Okay, it's at the top right corner. Now, under your account, you can see here profile. Now, there are some options here like profile, your orders. All you have to do is to scroll down to the very bottom till you see the sign out. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this sign out here. And so that's it. That's how easy it is to sign out or log out your Amazon using your Android. Now, if you want to sign in again or log in again, all you have to do is to type your email address or phone number here, and you will be, or tap continue, and you will be headed directly to your Amazon account. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next videos.